In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable secure boot on a Lenovo computer. You have probably ran into the same issue as I when trying to play Valorant and you couldn't because your secure boot was disabled. And you tried to enable it, but you couldn't. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, if you want to check if you have secure boot enabled or not, go into the Windows search bar, type in system information. You need to search for BIOS mode. BIOS mode needs to be on UEFI. And your secure boot will either say off or on. Mine is turned on because I already found the fix. But if yours says off, you need to close down your system information, go to the Windows icon, and click on restart. Okay, so once your PC is starting up again, keep clicking on the F2 button. Just keep clicking the F2 button until you enter the BIOS. Okay, so once you're in the BIOS, go to More Settings, and under Security, go all the way down, straight to the bottom. And as you can see, Secure Boot disabled, Secure Boot status disabled. Now, if I enable the secure boot and restart my PC and go into the BIOS again, it will still say secure boot status disabled. To reset this, you have to, under restore factory keys, click on this and click on yes. And make sure this is on enabled. Now, you see here, F10, save and exit. Press F10. And as soon as you click on this yes button, start pressing F2 again to get into BIOS. Yes, just spam F2 and keep spamming until you get back to the BIOS. Okay, once you're back in the BIOS, again go to More Settings, go to Security, again scroll down, and you'll see Secure Boot Status enabled, Secure Boot enabled. That's it. That's literally it. Simple fix. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.